it's Ryan here, and today on my second video I'm going to show you Creo and a Lego creation of mine. So I have two figures I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell you their names, what they are, and their transformation, and if you stick around until the end of the video, I'm going to show you the features of my newest creation, the Max Airship. Okay, so you can see I have a package already opened. I haven't looked inside, so let's see what we got. Close call. Okay, so we got the Sharkticon. So, if any of you don't know what a Sharkticon is, it's a evil robot. They call evil robot, or for you that know Transformers, you may know them as a Decepticon. And they take the form of a shark, which is really beastly. And if you ever dream about them, you're gonna have horrors. But what makes them more deadlier is their weapon, which I'm gonna build after this. Okay. The weapon is a nunchuck is a nunchuck with ninja stars at the end. So if you ever go against one in your dreams, make sure you wake up. Make sure you stop the dream by waking yourself up. Okay, so here's the figure itself. So it's a not entirely good figure, and I'm gonna transform it. So let's do it. But if you already have one of these and you want to see something else, I'm sorry. There was only 2 packs. They were only $3.81, so I had to choose one. And you can see they have their weapon as the tail. Okay. And that's the Sharkticon. Most of these figures, they come with extra parts because you can't fit them anywhere else on the Transformer. And next, 2 of my favorites. We have Cheetor from Transformers Beast Wars, and Nose Cone, part of the Combiner. If you don't know what a Combiner is, or if you do know, I'll just tell you anyway. They're 5 Transformers, 6 if they have a mini robot with them, that can make a giant one. So let me transform Nose Cone, and his transformation is a drill. So yeah. And if you're wondering why he doesn't have a weapon on him, I lost it, but I don't know where it is, so I'm gonna keep looking for it. And like the Sharkticon, he has 2 extra pieces. A piece from his back and his helmet piece. Next is Cheetor. So you can tell by his name he takes the form of a cheetah, but he's always ready for the action, so sometimes he's going to battle, sometimes he's not. So he has 2 weapons, a gun and a sword, which he's holding right now. So let me show the transformation. The tail is only 3 pieces. This piece, a holder piece, and the gun, which connects to this peg right here. And the rest is just take the sword out of his hand. I'm going to throw this off to the side. Put his hands out, put his legs out, put his legs down and out. And that's the cheetah. The helmet, the head doesn't need anything else. So these are the 3 figures. I'll move them off to the side. Now I'm going to show you the Max airship. You see, this is like from my last video, Macy's Thunder Roller and Aaron's Sky Crossbow. I still don't know the name, but it's different. It has the 2 droids from last time, and it's a 2-in-1. Let me take these pieces out. So you see, when this comes out, it's like a ground shooter thing. It's like a droid, only it has 2 swords on the front, 2 guns here, and it can rotate. It can rotate backwards, and it forms some kind of weird ship with boosters on the back. And it also has missiles right here, which also count as armor. And for the main ship, it has stud shooters. See? Stud shooters, wings, and these 2 pieces for people to sit comfortably. And the last part is that it has so many weapons. The swords can come out, and the droids can use them as weapons. So, there you go. I'll see you in my next video, guys.